Columbine Campground in the Carson National Forest. This used to be our favorite campground in New Mexico, but is it still? Welcome to our channel. Let's get started on another campground review. Columbine. We've made several visits here. It's a beautiful campground nestled in a canyon halfway between the towns of Questa and Red River. It's 2 loops, and we stayed at number 14. Now let's do a walk around and tour the entire campground so you can see all the sites on both the big loop and the smaller loop, starting with our campsite. Campsite number 14. Campsite number 13. Campsite number 14. And the porta potty. Hid toilet. The water fill stations. There's several throughout the campground. Campsite number 15. Yeah, this is 16. That's pretty small. It's a little bit windy today. This is the stream that runs through the campground. Number 17 is another kind of short one. And then we're almost to the end of the big loop. This is site number 18, and I would call that a tent campsite. It's pretty short. There's the trailhead, and this parking lot stays full all day. So if you're staying at the campground, you might want to walk from your site. This is 19, and it's the only one listed as tent only, I believe. It's a really pretty site. This is site number 21. Looks like it's a pull through, but it's first come from here all the way on down the hill. Number 22 is another pull through. First come. Site number 23, also a first come, pull through. Nice little picnic area. Oh. Site number 24. That's a pretty long one. You could cut quite a nice size in that one. But it's first come.
Yeah, a whole big ass group coming right behind.
So there's 3 more along here, 25, 26, and 27, that are all exactly the same. Little loops, pull-throughs, and first come only. Campsite 1 is handicapped. Really nice long entrance and right across from the pit toilet. This is a nice little loop. The camp host there. And I think it's 1 through 6 or 7 here in the loop. We have stayed at campsite number 3 here several times and loved it. This is number 3 where we stayed in previous trips. Worked great for our pop-up. There's 4, 5, 6. Here is the camp host at site number 7. Number 8 is also a handicap spot, and there is the pit toilet. These sites are a little too close together in my opinion. I think it's 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if you're with someone, those are good, but to me, a little too cozy. So that was a full walk around of both loops, the large loop where we stayed at site number 14, which we really loved, and the smaller loop where we'd stayed previous trips. Site number 14 was backed up to that beautiful stream I showed you earlier. We could walk right down from our camper, and the white noise it provided definitely deadened the noise from other campsites and all the kids running around playing all day long. It's really a nice creek. So now we come to the question, is this still our favorite campground? No, I don't think it is, but it's not the fault of the campground necessarily. We had a good time, but with the pandemic, the restrictions in the state with the mask wearing definitely affected whether we enjoyed our visit as much. We did not feel comfortable going into the city of Red River for dinner and to spend the evenings walking around shopping and stuff. There was just too many crowds and too many people not wearing masks from out of state mostly. We have 2 more videos planned, one about the hiking that we did while we were there, and another with some drone footage of the campground. So please stay tuned to watch those. And if you enjoyed these videos, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. And as I always say, get out there and hug a tree.